Hi, I'm Caitlin Swindell. I'm the Chief Curator at the VBMA, and this is Ask the Curator. How did I become a curator? So my path is somewhat typical in that it started with an interest in art, and then throughout my career I acquired a solid foundation in art history. But I also had a lot of work experience and internship experience, and that is what really solidified curatorial work for me. So I grew up in the Washington, D.C. area, going to museums with my family on field trips. So I had Smithsonian Institution museums, very easily accessible to me. And as I thought about what I wanted to do, even leading up to college, my interest in art has always been a huge passion of mine, and seeing how museums could tell stories with those art objects really propelled me forward into thinking about how could this be a potential career of mine. So as a high school student, I first took a seminar at the National Gallery of Art. I went on to intern in different departments at museums in the DC area, including collections research, marketing, and education, to get a sense of how different departments come together to realize the mission of a museum. I went on to study art history and anthropology in college, studied abroad. I continued learning through internship experiences in college at the New Orleans Museum of Art. I worked on a grant application, and I got to see curatorial work firsthand. And so that really propelled me in an interest to thinking about curatorial specifically in my career. And then after I graduated college, I went to work at fine art galleries so that I could learn a little bit about the for-profit side and getting to work with living artists. That really solidified for me an interest in contemporary art because I get to work with living artists. So I went on to get my master's degree in art history, and then I've worked at several museums since, and that's how I've gotten here at the VBMA. What's next?